So hi guys, welcome into this new video, and as you can see right in front of your eyes, here I have Windows 11. It's not the usual Windows 10. You can see the difference from the icons here, then the taskbar and the icon of Windows here, and all these widgets and stuff. So I'm gonna be showing you how to download this, because from yesterday, by the time I am recording this video, everybody that has Windows 10 can download Windows 11 for free. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to check if your machine actually can run Windows 11. So there's an application you have to download, and it's from Windows, and I will give you the link for the download of the application in the description. So this is the website of the link, and you want to scroll down all the way down. You want to scroll down until you see this box here, and then you want to click on this link to download the Integrity application. You just click on that and then save the file, pretty much whatever you want. I already have the file, so I will just open it, going to the downloads. This is the one, the PC Health application. Then you want to accept everything and then install the application, then press finish, and it will open it here. And all you have to do is just press this button to see whether your computer can actually run Windows 11. My computer can run Windows 11, and if your computer cannot run Windows 11, it's because you probably have to turn on the TPM option on your BIOS. If you don't know what that is, just search for Integrity application Windows 11 fix on YouTube, and it will show you how to do that. Okay, so once you check if Windows 11 is enabled, so once you check whether or not you can download Windows 11, now we can actually start downloading it. So I will give you another link in the description of this video, and it will send you to the official page of the download for Windows 11. And this is the page here, and here you can download the program to install automatically Windows 11 if you have Windows 10. And here you have the option to download the ISO if you want to put the operating system into a hard drive or a USB drive or something like that. However, if you already have Windows 10 and you just want to upgrade to Windows 11, you will click just on this one and then save it into the downloads, and then all you have to do is just open the file, and you will have to click continue, and it will pretty much download Windows 11 for you. And it's very easy. I thought it would be much harder, but it's actually quite easy. Everybody watching this, I think, can do that. So if you like this video, make sure to let me know. Bye.